Hi beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Joy. Today I'm doing a makeup inventory update looking at what changed from the end of 2024 to the end of 2025. All the numbers I'm sharing reflect what I still had at the end of 2025. In 2025, I participated in two usage-based project pans. 25 in 2025 and the Years of Usage Eyeshadow Project Pan. These projects help me rotate through my collection and get more use out of what I already owned. I did manage to finish a few products, but overall, I brought in more than I used up. Let's start with primers. I had two at the end of 2024 and I still have the same two at the end of 2025. I used both of them at least 25 times. Next is foundation. I had 5 in 2024 and I still have all 5 in 2025. I used every single one during the year. All of them reached 25 uses except for the LA Girl White Foundation. I also added a new category this year, tinted moisturizers and tinted sunscreens. I usually skip foundation when I use this. I started with 2 and bought one more in 2025, bringing the total to 3. Out of the 3, I only used the Perfume Dessert Tinted Moisturizer. I did not track my usage, but I think it's more than 25 times. Moving on to concealers, I had 3 in 2024 and I still have the same 3 in 2025. I use all of them at least 25 times. Next is my color corrector. I only have one and that didn't change. I originally planned to use it up in 2025, but I didn't reach for it much until I added it to my 25 in 2025 project. So far, that's 14 products and I used 12 of them during the year. Now let's move on to the powders. For loose powders, I had 5 in 2024 and still have all 5 in 2025. I worked on 3 of them. For pressed powders, I started with 3. I used up the Mary Kay pressed powder in 2025, leaving me with 2. I used the Vice Cosmetics powder in 25 in 2025, while the Wet n Wild powder is still unopened. At this point, I had used 17 out of the 22 products I started with and fully finished one. Next are bronzers. I had 6 in 2024 and still have all 6 in 2025. I used every single one at least 25 times. Now let's talk about blushes. I have 4 categories. I have 1 loose powder blush, which I used 25 times. I have 2 cream blushes, which I used both at least 25 times. I have 1 liquid blush, which I also used 25 times. And finally, I have 34 pressed powder blushes. I used 14 of them during 2025. Next are highlighters. I started with 14. I added the highlight side of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette into my inventory because I didn't do that in the past years. And I used up the Seraphine Luminude. That leaves me with 13 highlighters. My goal was to use half of these, and I ended up using 11 of them, many at least 25 times. So far, I've used 52 out of the 80 products I had in 2025 and I used up 2. Now let's move on to brow products. I had 3 eyebrow powders in 2024. The Nichido Eyebrow Liner Duo Kit counts as 2 products. And in 2025, I still have all 3. I use all 3 at least 25 times. I also had 2 eyebrow pencils in 2024 and I still have both in 2025 and I use both at least 25 times. I added liquid brow pencils as a new category in 2025. I bought 2 and I used one of them and so far, I'm not really enjoying it. Next are eyeshadows. I started with 750 pressed eyeshadows and use up 3, leaving me with 747 in 2025. Out of the 750, I used 206 eyeshadows at least once. 200 of those were part of the Years of Usage eyeshadow project pan. For loose eyeshadow pigments, I had 3 and didn't use any of them in 2025. Next are eyeliners. I had 5 and still have the same 5. I use all of them at least 25 times. Now for mascara, I had 10 in 2024 and bought 1 in 2025. Unfortunately, I didn't use any of the mascaras I already owned and only used the new one. The new one has a metal wand and I'm still undecided on it. Overall, this category was a fail for me. At this point, I had 856 products in 2025. I used up 5 and bought 4. There are 2 categories left: lip products and setting spray. For the lip products, these are broken into 6 categories. For bullet lipsticks, I started with 21. I decluttered one that went bad, and that is the Wet n Wild Mega Last bullet lipstick, and the shade is Cinnamon Spice, and I was gifted 2 in 2025. That brings the total to 22. I used 10 bullet lipsticks during the year. For liquid lipsticks, I started with 11. I bought 2 in 2025 and ended the year with 13 and used 9 of them. For sample lipsticks, I still have the 3 that I had in 2024. I didn't use any of these sample lipsticks. For the lip crayon, I had 1 and still have the same lip crayon in 2025, which I used 27 times. For lip glosses, I still have the 3 lip glosses and used all 3 in 2025. And for lip liners, I still have the 6 lip liners I had in 2024, all of which were used in 2025. The final category is setting spray. I had 2 in 2024, used up the Body Shop Face Mist, and ended 2025 with 1. I used both during the year. In total, I started 2024 with 899 products. I added 8, reduced 7, and ended 2025 with 900 products. Quick recap before we wrap up. In 2025, I focused on using as many products in my inventory as I can. I rotated through 300 products, 206 of which are eyeshadows. I finished 6 products and decluttered 1. I bought 5 products and was gifted 2. I used a third of my inventory and I'm proud of that. This 2026, my goal is to reduce the number of products in my inventory. I have identified a few products to use up. I hope I will do better than 2025. This means more than 6 products I need to use up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and let me know in the comments which category surprised you the most. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!